Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Staadpro. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master Staadpro for structural analysis and design. We offer training in Staadpro in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Staadpro, empowering you with the skills needed for precise structural analysis and design for various engineering projects. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Structural analysis using Staadpro for different load conditions. Understanding and applying various material properties and sections. Dynamic analysis and seismic design using Staadpro. Design of steel, concrete, timber, and other structural elements. Working with finite element analysis, FEA, for structural modeling. Foundation analysis and design using Staadpro. Collaborative workflows for teams in the structural engineering industry. Efficient project management strategies for structural analysis and design with Staadpro. Enroll in the Staadpro course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful structural analysis and design software. For more information and to enroll, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.